Welcome back to the Mark 1 Motorworks YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be doing an oil change, which is part of the whole service for this 1980 Rabbit pickup. So when changing the vehicle's oil, you also want to change the oil filter. Those things come hand in hand during a vehicle service. And the first thing we're going to do is jack up the vehicle and throw some axle stands underneath. It's always important to cross-reference with your owner's manual where to place your axle stands and what points to jack up on the vehicle. Now that the vehicle is secure, we're going to pop the hood. And we're also going to throw a bit of scrap cardboard underneath the area that we're going to be working on so we don't ruin the floor when oil comes out of the sump.
Might come out quite fast.
That's what he said. So there's like a knack to this, isn't there, where you can just pull it real quick and it just...
And it doesn't get all over you, yeah.
Alright.
So when it's just about to come out, you just spin it and then...
Yeah. Oh.
Good thing the cardboard's there.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, that's nice and warm, but that's good.
It is warm, yeah.
And the engine flush, because that's so thin as well, it should run out all of it really well.
There's quite a lot. I didn't think there would be that much.
Yeah, it was probably full then.
And should I open the cap on the top?
Oh, yeah.
So prior to this, we brought the engine up to temperature, we've driven it around, and because we don't know the history of this truck in particular, we did use engine flush.
There you go.
Do you want a funnel?
It's windy. No. Oh, send it. It's like a weird, it's a bit thin. I got every single drop of it.
Nice. What is the next step? Is that to take the oil filter off?
Yes.
Alright, let's do that.
There we go. And of course keep it upright when you take it out.
Yeah. Oh, is that it?
Yeah, there's some more just draining out as well.
Okay, so here's the old one, ProTech oil filter 136, and then do you reckon that'll fit?
One less hole. There's only one way to find out.
Bosh. And you guys were saying that as a tip, you get some of the new oil and just what, round this rubber?
Yep.
Rubber thing through. Lube the ring, or the rim.
And this is where we tell you you've just done this on a camera and we recorded it and you're going to put it on YouTube to make you look like an idiot. But it's a genuine thing.
It's a genuine thing. What about anything else?
No.
To put it anywhere else?
No, it's just the just the rubber gasket, so it keeps it nice and fresh. So it doesn't crack. Because and also when you put it on as well, if it grips with your engine when there's no oil, it'll just rip the seal off and it'll unsit and then all your oil piss out. Yeah.
Right, okay. New filter.
Crawling underneath.
There we go.
Yes, puppy.
She's on. We should actually say, guys, because I've changed oil filters before and they've just been absolutely stuck. So if you, Sam, if you point the camera here, you'll see a tool. If people are having trouble getting their oil filter off, you can get tools like that. I know Adam, you said there's a strap one you can get. How tight should this actually?
Just hand tight, yeah.
Hand tight. So if I keep going.
It's nearly there.
Oh,
Yeah, get your hand
there.
around it. Final twist, goodbye.
Alright, that's on.
So now you could do your sun plug gasket.
Cool.
all the following through.
Okay. Is that alright? Lovely.
Basically, the old gasket that was on there, they hadn't replaced, and they squashed it all the way down, right? And so, when you do an oil filter change, or sorry, when you do an oil change in general, you should always replace this. Is it copper?
Yeah, copper gasket.
And that will go on there, and it's designed. You said it was designed to squash up.
So you two on equal faces, they're not necessarily going to be level. So what it's designed to do is it's soft.
Yeah.
And as you compress it, it will take up any variations in the surfaces.
Right.
And compress to make you an oil-tight seal.
There you go. So make sure that you get one of these to replace your sump plug thing.
I can see the hole.
You can see the hole, yeah?
Yeah.
So
Oh, give that area a wipe as well.
Alright.
He's had that before.
So, we're giving the area a wipe, and now I'm going to put my plug in this hole, yeah?
Yeah, you got a nice clear ring piece that, oh, it's dripping out a little bit, fine.
So I'm just doing that,
Yep.
putting that in. Yeah, that looks nice.
Give it nice, and then
Give it a wipe.
get a wrench on it.
Yep, I'm going to get my tool here, and I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to tighten that up. How tight should I do this, by the way? Is there a...
Go on, Adam.
I go hand tight and then a quarter of a turn more.
Ooh.
quarter of a turn?
Some would say the tighter the better.
I don't want to...
That looks good. That looks good for me.
Is that alright?
Yeah, yeah, I'd be happy with that.
Alright, the plug is now in.
Sweet.
Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put the new oil in using 10W40, which I've been learning about this week. This is what a lot of people have been recommending, so we're just going to go with it. I'm sure people will leave comments in the comment section below saying, oh, you need to have thicker oil, or you need to have this and that, or some people say it doesn't matter. But, you know, I'm using what the general public have sort of recommended. And do I need to just put the whole lot in, or
No.
do I put it in stages?
Put it in stages, so do, let's say, what, 4 litres?
I
And
tend
then
to
stop?
go sort of 2.5, 3 litres.
Yeah.
Give it a minute to settle, check where the oil level's at, realise I'm nowhere near, put another litre in.
Yeah.
This whole thing is 4 litres.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
All right. I reckon the whole engine, some of them are, I don't know if they say 3.5, but I think these ones take 4.5 litres.
4.5.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I have got some more oil at home, but it's not. It is 10W40, but it's from a different brand.
It's not going to kill it having just 4 litres in, so.
What have you gone? Have you gone synthetic, semi-synthetic? Have you gone mineral?
Gasoline and diesel. You saw the word gasoline and thought, yep, that's it.
No, this is so. I put Aaron's registration number
And it goes what it comes
in
with.
on Halfords and other websites, and it comes up with this every time.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah, so maybe like stop there, let it set. You still got a little bit in there.
Feels like I've got 1 litre left.
Cool.
So again, another little. This might not mean anything to people, but like the little tip that I've discovered is that you should tip the oil in sideways so it doesn't glug. Do you know what I mean? If you tip it in this way, it does that. It's like
Yeah.
blub, blub, blub. I know that probably everybody knows that.
Not even the
Do you know what I mean?
big YouTubers don't do it. I've seen Mighty Car Mods still don't tip it to the side for some reason.
Oh yeah, they do. They do. They
Oh,
do
they
it
do
now.
now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's where I learnt it from, to be fair. But yeah, again, might not mean anything.
Still loads left in that bowl.
But
Yeah, the whole lot.
that's just a tiny little thing that I picked up. Castrol Magnetic. I think the technology
Magnetec.
behind it. Yeah, Magnetec. What did I say?
Magnetic.
Oh, Magnetic.
It sticks to your engine.
Pulls all the bits of metal.
Yeah.
Magnetec. Yeah, it pulls all that, the metallic stuff, right?
Loads left in this thing.
You get magnetic socket hooks, can't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
But I don't want to see my disasters. Just want it to be hidden.
Ah, that's where my piston rings are.
All right. Empty. So what? Check the dipstick again.
Yep.
I can't see. I mean, it's on there, isn't it?
Go again.
you need more oil?
I think it's okay. It's just because it's very new oil, so it's thin.
Yeah, normally you're looking for like black, gunky looking oil, and this is
It'll still be settling down as well, so.
fresh. So basically, this job went really quickly and really well, like we were just saying. But don't get me wrong, when I had the caddy, I did an oil change, and the fuel filter, the oil filter was so tight on there. What I had to do was get a screwdriver, burst it through the oil filter, and then like wrench on the screwdriver just to get it off. So like this may have looked super easy today, but trust me, I've been there in the past with other filters that just they're just so they don't want to come off. So, but there you go. That's an oil change on the Rabbit. I'm going to keep my eye on it in terms of levels and see if I need to top up or anything. Is there anything else that needs to be done with that? I don't think there is.
It's just checking your capacity. So, like you've put 4 litres in. The Castrol ones do come in 4 litre tubs. You do get 5 litre tubs out there.
Yeah.
But mostly these will take about 4.5 litres. So.
Right. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to turn the engine on so everything cycles through like Adam just said. I got worried then, really. So there you go guys, that is an oil change and changing the oil filter. If anybody has any more tips or struggles or anything, leave comments below, and as a community I'd love to see everybody helping each other out down there. But there you go, this is more of a documentational video rather than a how-to. I'm just sort of showing you what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So make sure you press like on the video if you got something out of this, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And like I said before, this is all part of a series that we're doing here, which is called Servicing the Rabbit. So stay tuned for more videos on services like the fuel filter, air filter, spark plugs and all that. It's all coming soon. Thanks for watching, take care.
Transition. Oh, give that area a wipe as well.
Alright.
He's had that before.